हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। मेरा नाम सुधीर गुप्ता है। मैं बिहार का रहने वाला हूँ। आई एम अ सेकंड ऑफिसर सेलिंग विद वन ऑफ फाइनेंस शिपिंग कंपनीज. I started watching videos of Rajiv Kaushik sir and Praneeth sir long time back, and since then I developed this idea of investing. So it's been 3 years, sir. I have been investing in different kinds of mutual funds, and those mutual funds are of course different kinds and in different houses of mutual funds as well. And for the last 3 years I have been patient as well. Now sir, I want to know whether the decision, because you never give right, you don't tell okay यहाँ invest करो, यहाँ invest करो. You always say कि you always teach us. So now after 3 years I want to see whether I have made the right choices, right decision or not. How am I going to do that? Please help me with this.
We will make it in a question answer form.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You started 3 years before.
Right, sir.
You started investing by way of SIP.
Right, sir.
You selected 6 mutual funds, 5
Yes,
to
sir.
6.
5 to 6.
And you started investing whatever sum was comfortable to you.
Right, sir.
Now, in these 3 years, how did you monitor your investments? What and how often did you monitor? Which portfolio manager did you use? Were you taking a consolidated account statement from CAMS or K Fintech? तो
ये
ऐसा
बात-
है कि इसमें हमें we have to keep a track of our investments. So the best way that I like to do is in Value Research Online there is a portfolio manager.
Okay, sir.
So when we start investing, we always put our investments in that. You can put a lot of things. You can put shares also. You can put FD also, PPF also, NPS also. Every gold, everything you can put there. But let's talk about mutual funds right now. So you form your login ID there and you create it manually that I have invested so much here and I have created SIP of so many months or so many years there of so much each. So इससे what happens is you can get a return, visible return every day, week, month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months and 1 year and more than that. Apart from this, you can take a consolidated account statement from CAMS and K Fintech, which are 2 RTAs of mutual funds, which we have already said so many times. So it's just a matter of 30 seconds. You can go on the site camsonline.com and fill in this thing for consolidated account statement and get a summary. So that you will come to know the detail. Now you can upload this summary on the Value Research
Online.
There's a process given which I will share as the link. So now this when you check, now the main thing is that your money is getting invested month on month without break for 3 years.
Right, sir.
Now if you have been observing, then in 3 years did you find that your total portfolio is moving up? And sometimes did you feel it is moving down?
Yes, sir.
What happened when it was moving up? What happened when it was moving down? In 3 years, it is not possible that the net portfolio value has become more than your invested value. Portfolio manager में पूरा आता है. So you should concentrate on the total, not individual funds. That this fund, total I have invested, say by today, after 3 years, I have been able to invest 15 lakhs. And the value of this 15 lakh is 22 lakhs today. So initially you may feel in 3 years only 7 lakhs. But the point is you didn't invest 15 lakhs at one go. All this has come out monthly in 3 years. So it is not easy to calculate today's value minus before value and divide by before value and get a percentage. No, that is not the way to calculate. So this will be calculated at the end in form of per annum, CAGR per annum. So there, how to know that your portfolio as you have formed is moving in the right direction? This should generally be more than the net market returns. Means if your large broad market like Sensex and Nifty in these 3 years has moved by about 12%, then your CAGR should actually be little more than that. If it is less than that, then there is something wrong.
Okay.
If the market has actually moved 15% and our return is only 12.8, then there is no point of investing. That means something has been made wrong there. Right? So then we can make some adjustments because 3 years is a good time to make some changes. By this time your portfolio starts moving up. But it does not mean that you sell one fund, get out and start investing in another. No, don't do that. उसका मतलब ये होता है that आपकी एक कोई दुकान है, एक बिजनेस है, जिससे आपको रिटर्न थोड़े कम आ रहे हैं, आपने उसको बंद कर दिया और अब आप दूसरी दुकान ढूंढ रहे हो,
तो सर जय माता दी हो जाएगी ऐसे तो।
हो सकती है ना। तो हमें उसमें क्या करना चाहिए कि इफ़ यू फाइंड दैट फॉर 3 years योर सम फंड इज लैगिंग बिहाइंड, आपने पूरा कैलकुलेट कर लिया कि टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ योर इन्वेस्टमेंट इन 6 or 7 funds or 8 funds is this much, it has gone up, but some fund has not been performing properly. So then you should go in detail to find out, you can discuss with me that this fund is not doing so well. Like we can specifically say Axis funds, they were not doing well at all for last 3 years. And before that Axis was one of the best performers. So these changes, they come in the life of all funds, fund houses. होता है, ये ICICI में भी हुआ है, Reliance में भी हुआ है, Axis में भी हुआ है, बिरला में भी हुआ है, सबके साथ at some given time. Franklin is not so great. Franklin was one of the leading companies and still it is very subdued because of few things which have happened 3 years ago. So people think Franklin is not a good fund house, but if you see the returns, they are very good returns. So the point is, you have to see the portfolio as a whole, that is it moving in more than the market. You have to see your individual funds, that are they lagging behind the category. All this you can find on value research. When your fund, how to compare your fund? There are 2 ways to compare the funds. The fund should perform better than the category. There is a category average, which there are 50 funds in a category. Then where does your fund stand? So in value research, you will find the rank of your fund: 3 upon 50, 7 upon 50, or 40 upon 50. So this rank should be seen for 3 months period, then 6 months period, then 1 year. If you see for 1 year, it is actually going down, and you should become alert for 1 year. Give it 1 year time, because mutual funds don't move like stocks. They have a different movement because there are so many stocks involved, right? So you have to give time to all stocks to move up and down or whatever and adjust. Then you have to compare it with the benchmark. Every fund house, they declare the benchmark. See, now we are moving in the advanced category. So now we can talk about these specific things. So then you can compare it with the category and then with the benchmark. So each fund declares that I am going to compare my performance with this benchmark. It can be S&P 30, S&P 100 or Nifty something. They will compare it. Something for, if it is a technologies, then they will say Nifty, IT Nifty or Bank Nifty. They will compare it as a benchmark. So we should then start going into those details. In 3 years, a person starts maturing and his portfolio will definitely become more than 15 lakhs, right? So these are few things, and then we keep discussing this on the group, because sometimes it is becoming little more complicated that your fund actually fails all these 3 tests. But still I say that please hold. Still I say. But then how to hold? We say that you stop investing in this. You have invested already 5 lakhs in this by way of SIP, now stop. But don't redeem. And whatever SIP you have stopped, start investing in another fund. And you start investing in that, and you keep watching this one. And if you find that it is still performance is not so good, then you start taking out little bit in same form of SIP. The way you put, now you start redeeming.
Patience.
This is a mutual fund is a very slow game. But because you are talking in terms of volume, your net result is always very large. Stocks, when somebody buys, haven't seen many people who buy more than 1 lakh or 2 lakh worth of stocks. But mutual funds, you can bindas without any compulsions, by distributing across different category of funds, 5, 6, 7, 8, you can invest even 10 lakhs a month. I have done that because you have already diversified your risk, spread your risk by investing in so many stocks. 6 funds, if it's even 30 stocks per fund, you already have 180 stocks. 180 stocks, or maybe there are some common stocks, so let's take 120. You have spread your money across 120 stocks. And plus you are not putting all your money at one go, like we talked in the video before we shot. So now what is happening is that we have adjusted for a risk. So this your portfolio has started moving like a chemical carrier, 20,000 tonner. So it's moving in that range. It can move fast, right? As this thing keeps moving up, within 5 to 6 years, when your portfolio starts going above 1 CR, then it becomes like a Aframax, right? It's got weight, the speed is not so much, engine is comparatively smaller, power to weight ratio is less, so it starts becoming like that. Once your portfolio becomes more than 4 to 5 crores, then it becomes a VLCC. Then it is moving at a slow speed, but the amount of oil it is carrying, the value of cargo it is carrying is 3,50,000 tons. That's the value of the cargo. So at that time, you can't make any sharp changes. If you give more than 2 degrees, 3 degrees hem at a time, it will be disastrous for your rudder, bad for your propeller, shaft bearings and everything. So whatever changes you have to do, you will have to make very slow. And at that time, like we have already said in one of the videos, that when the market does bad,
It is good.
people say, why should we stop, sir? Should we redeem, sir? When we are coming from the Baltic, our ship is coming from the Baltic and we face force 8, force 9, weather, ship is not making any headway. Do we stop the ship?
No, that will be dangerous.
Then what do we do?
We keep running, but we reduce the speed.
We reduce the speed.
Reduce the speed.
We reduce the speed to save fuel. So similarly, when the market is doing bad, you should not stop, but you can reduce your SIP. Why? Now you can collect your money, right? And maybe if the market is moving further down, then you can put all at once, right? Or when you see that, okay, market has moved from 62,000 to 50,000 and now it is going to 51, 52, at that point you can put.
Add all the in all.
If you don't, maybe you don't have any. This in the field of investment we call keeping the gunpowder dry, right? Now again the weather has become better. We have crossed the English Channel. The weather is little better. We are moving between Spain and this thing, and now force 3, force 4. Now we give more fuel, try to get this little more RPM, 110 or something, and we get more speed, and still we make the same ETA. So similarly, it's here. When we are in the initial stage, we are slight, light and very fidgety. You try to do all funny things. This fund is not doing well, let me go there. That fund is not doing well, let me go there. But when you are at that VLCC stage, when your total corpus is 5 CR and you are only about 8 to 10 funds and each of them is something like 70, 80 lakhs or maybe some is 1 CR, then you can't make so simple changes. It is not impossible for a person, even if the fund is not doing well, that you redeem 60 lakhs, 70 lakhs overnight to invest in some other fund. So at that moment, you have to remember that this fund has till about 2 years given me very good returns. You cannot negate that returns. Those returns are still working for you because that is where compounding comes into play. If you have been invested, I have funds with me, HDFC equity, which is called HDFC Flexi Cap. I started investing in 2003 or 4 and I started redeeming only in 2017 and 18. 2019. I redeemed in 2019. I have used, for 16 years I had that fund. I have Birla Sun Life Frontline. I have ICICI Blue Chip. These funds I have been having for last 11 years. So there was a time when they were barely giving 5% return and other funds were giving 11%, 12%. It's very easy to get disrupted. But the amount of money that I have invested in just these 2 funds was so much that I had to exercise patience. This patience I may not have been able to exercise if the fund value was only 5 lakhs. I would have been very quick to redeem here and go there. So this is another mistake which the people make. So how you have to go is in a very methodical way, how to judge that my portfolio is moving in the correct direction. This is the way your portfolio is moving in the correct direction. And you have to calculate it methodically, not every day. But yes, a 3 months to 6 months check is good. Whenever you come back on shore, on leave, you have all the data to yourself and a good speed and all that, and you can do all your research and say I am fine, take about 2 days for this and then again forget about it, let your SIP continue. Whatever, after few years what will happen is that you will understand that I have this much money remaining with me, let me deploy it. But you will also understand that I have 10 lakhs with me, I cannot invest 10 lakhs in one go, I must distribute it. So all these things will come into picture, and these are the things which will help us understand and make a firm decision that what we are doing good. We are not here to make money. We are here to create wealth. Creating wealth and making money are 2 different things. You make money when you work and you get a salary. But having a good salary is not the sign of a wealthy person. How much you are saving and how much from that you are investing, that is the wealth that you create. Am I clear?
Yes, a point well taken. And with this, all I can say is thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. There were a lot of terms used in this video, which even, to be very honest, like benchmark, value research online. उसके बारे में जो भी required videos हैं from YouTube, whichever we'll be putting in the YouTube in the comment section of the description box. Please watch them as well because that will be the complete knowledge. With this, all I can say is thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.